If these videos are helping you, please consider supporting back by clicking on the subscribe button, and if you are into forums, please share these into forums so you can give additional support. I am very bored of this build and I'm very bored of editing it. It took so much time. I mean the editing, the build, it was okay. And why I did this, I still ask myself, but rather than upgrading to a complete new system, I just wanted to use the existing system I had because I really don't like throwing things or buying new because every like 2-3 years, maybe not even 3 years, our systems are becoming like old. And I really don't like it. And I am not doing 4K. I'm not planning to do 4K with the system. But maybe I can. And another thing is I'm not doing professional work to the industry. So I don't need to be at the top of my game or the system. So yeah, I can afford following the technology from behind. And this makes me save money. And this also helps to preserve a bit of the nature, a bit of the resources we have, rather than just like getting something new, holding on what I have. That's one of the reasons why I did this build. And another thing is I wanted to test. I want to test the NVMe. I wanted to try if I can boot with this motherboard, this main board, with an NVMe drive. I just wanted to see. So because I decided that, do I want a high-end SSD? Yes, but then what will happen to that SSD when I upgrade my motherboard? Because one day or in some time in the future that will happen, you know. So the new thing is NVMe. So I decide, okay, then to be able to be a bit more future-proof, I would like to go NVMe. And then that's how I did my planning actually. I go for the NVMe, and while I did the NVMe, I wanted to see if I can boot from it. So yeah, but in the end, that didn't really make much sense actually, just to boot from a very fast drive. Doesn't really make sense. It makes much more sense if you use it as a media drive for editing and stuff. So that's how I'm using it right now. And that was one of the tests. So in the end, yeah, I was able to boot from the NVMe, but for what? And another test I wanted to make is to use that Noctua cooler, because I really don't like the fan noise. It really drives me crazy. Makes me tired even. So I wanted to test if that Noctua will make a difference. Actually, yeah, it is. It is pretty silent for a cased machine, you know, and with a lot of big fans. And another thing is when I am exporting and stuff, okay, I'm not really pushing the machine like with 4K or something else. I'm using 720p actually, because the things I do doesn't really need much high definition. So yeah, I don't even hear the fan speed changing, accelerating to keep up with the heat of the CPU. I don't even hear it. And yeah, then the last reason why I also get a GPU. There's the reason that sometimes I miss gaming, you know. I was gaming a lot, and maybe I will do it again. And lastly, I got a new second-hand monitor. So yeah, that's what I was doing for my upgrades, and this is what I was thinking about. And holding on to the technology as long as I can, saving money, saving resources, and in the meantime trying to be compatible with the future systems, with the things that I buy new. Yeah, that was what I was trying to achieve. Hope it helped you in some way, and if you want to help back, if you want to support back, please consider subscribing and clicking on the bell button if you want to get notifications. No one wants, but you may. And yeah, if you have any questions, I don't know if I said, please leave it in the below section. And as always, thanks for watching.